Hi everyone. This time we're going to take a look at a new version of the homemade oscilloscope. Let's go over its main components. Signal adapter, channel 1. Signal adapter, channel 2. Beep signal output. CH32V003 microcontroller, 16-pin RISC-V device. 2 buttons to adjust the timescale. 1 button to enable/disable the trigger. Serial to USB converter for sending data to the computer. Let's connect the signals to both channels and power up the system. Let's adjust the frequency of both signals. Let's adjust the amplitude of each signal. Activate the trigger, modify the frequency, and adjust the timescale for better visualization. Connect a low-pass filter between both channels to visualize its response. We can see how changes in frequency affect the amplitude and phase of the filtered signal. Thanks for your attention, and please remember to leave a like.